Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a Naruto Shippuden collectible card game box set. This one is the Kakashi deck. It has 50 game cards, a game manual, one game mat, and one turn marker. The ultimate ninja master in the hidden village in the leaves. Alright. So let's see what we got inside of here. This is from Bandai and Shonen Jump. What year did this come out? Looks like it came out in 2002. Or 2007, my bad. So, how does this open? Oh, from the side. Alrighty. Well, that's complicated for no reason. That was lovely. Let's get the box out of the way. Let's see what our papers are here. Looks like we have a game mat. A cheap paper one. Yeah, this is pretty cheap. Not very good paper. You got your battle reward area, some notes, picture of that guy, then you got your chakra area, your discard pile, and your deck area. And then the battlefield is up here. So obviously you need two of these. There's also a turn indicator on here. The back is blank. Paper quality is real garbage. So this thing's going to get destroyed pretty fast. Then we've got a Bandai of America questionnaire. Here's your turn markers. They're just little like ninja stars on one side, and on the back there's little character faces. And then we've got another fold out here. This is your rule sheet. Got an equally crappy paper. And there's an angry looking cat guy on there. I think that's Naruto, however you pronounce that name. I'm gonna butcher all these names so horribly bad. Alright, this is your rule sheet. It's one-sided on really thin, cheap paper, so be aware of that. This is garbage. This will get destroyed. So if you're going to play this one, make sure you get 2 decks or an extra copy of the rules, the quick rules. But we do have a game manual, so this is actually pretty colorful. It's, what, 50 pages? This is your actual rule book, so I guess the game sheet doesn't really matter, but I would probably just use the quick rules. It looks like it's alright. The paper quality is okay, but it's not the best. It's not quite on par with like World of Warcraft, but it's not the worst I've seen. There's the back of the deck, and there's a foil in here. I do like that, but that'll be our last card we'll take a look at. So let's see what we got inside of this. It didn't say if this was pre-constructed or not. Let me double check the box here. Just says 50 game cards, so I'm not sure if it's consistent. The series here is Will of Fire according to the box, but it's Naruto Shippuden. Alright, we got first card is Change in Chakra Nature Rasengan. Then we've got another Change in Chakra Nature. Attack from behind. Another attack from behind. Shuriken. Shuriken. Third Shuriken. 5 pronged seal release. Another 5 pronged seal release. Giant club. Another giant club. A third giant club. A food pills. Another food pills. Loss. Draw 2 cards. Another loss. It's a clue! Another clue. Under the drifting clouds. Under the drifting clouds. The third Hokage, something like that. Another one of those. Gara of the Desert. Gara of the Desert. Gara of the Desert. Kakashi Hatake. Something like that. Karini Yuhi. Obviously, I've never seen this TV show, so we got a second one of that person. Tamari. Tamari. It's the day after today. It's Tamari. Sorry, that was horrible. Sakura Haruna. Mozuku. Mozuku. Shino Aburami. Another Shino, something like that. Ekamaru. Sasuke Uchiha, that guy. Mizuki, childhood. Sakura Haruno, childhood. Sakura, maybe that's how it's pronounced. I don't know. Sasuke Uchiha, childhood. Another one. Kiba Inuzukua. Another Kiba. Naruto Uzumaki. Another Naruto. A third one. And finally is our cool gold foil of Kakashi Hatake. So that foil is pretty cool, actually. Don't know much about these. So the deck looks okay to me, but it's a starter deck. It's something to build on. But that is what is inside the Kakashi deck for Will of Fire Naruto Shippuden. And that'll do it for this episode. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.